Hey there, welcome to TickTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a feature section on your profile. So this is your homepage from your LinkedIn profile, right? It might look somewhat similar to mine. So what you can do now is you're going to go and click on your profile labeled as me right there. Click on view profile. Then you're going to click on add profile section. There you're going to search for the featured right there in the recommended section from these three. So right there, you click on it again. So this was my featured post, right? So what you did need to do is add plus. So it can add a post, add medias and all that stuff, you know, and that's it. That's how you add featured section in your profile. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.